Hey guys, this is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial, and today we are going to be looking at a pretty advanced topic, which is the topic of resources. So what is a resource and why would you use it? So a resource in the literal sense of why it was implemented would be if you actually need some type of thing, some type of resource in order to perform the service. The most common example that is used would be a massage room, for example. So you could have, the business could be open and you could have staff available, but if there is not a massage room available, you're not going to be able to perform that service. So that is initially why this feature was implemented, in order to accommodate things like that, where you can't really control it at the business hours level and not at the staff level either, but quite literally it needs something to perform the service. So that is what a resource is and how it's traditionally used. The other reason we also use it, this is a way that you can offer something. For example, outside of normal business hours, generally that's either going to be like an early bird or after hours special, which typically will be charged more. So that's not actually what it was designed for, but that is one of the ways that it is used currently, as the system does not have the ability to have a feature specifically aimed at kind of like that after hours type approach without having to adjust the business hours. So what we are going to do, it's actually not going to be inside of the mobile app. This is going to be a web app only video. This is a pretty advanced topic, so pretty much would be expected that it's only going to be available inside of the web app. So let's go ahead and get that opened up. If I show this, all right, I'm gonna have to go here again, update this, and then you guys should be able to see this page on the web app. So we're gonna go here on the left-hand side, staff management and resources. And then you see here at the top, you've got shifts, and then you have resources. So the first example I'm going to do is going to be for the massage bed type, where it's literally a resource that you need. So we're going to say that this is the massage beds resource. So that's the name. The description is optional, and then we're going to assign a service. So I actually did create, you can either create a category like I did, which can be useful. In this case, it's not a big deal because it's just one service. But if you do plan on offering, I don't know, it can get a bit confusing. I like categories, so I'm very prone to using categories, but whether you go to all and then just look for it, or you make a category and it's there, the idea is we do need to associate a service to the resource. So in this case, in order to do the massage, we need the massage bed. So that's going to be how it's created. Pretty straightforward, guys. You know, massage needs a massage bed. So what are we going to do now? What we're going to do now is we're going to go in here and we're going to resources, and I'm just going to go to next Monday, May 1st, and you can see that the massage bed has been lined up with the same hours as the business hours. And then if we go to staff, that is how we're going to offer it. So in order for a massage to be booked, you're going to have three things in alignment. One is going to be the hours. Another is going to be a staff available during those time, and the resource has to be available. If any of those things are out of alignment, it's not going to work for the current setup we have, because you need all those things. The business has to be open, someone has to be there to perform the service, one of the staff, and the resource has to be available in order to get it done. So this is the more simple way of how a resource is set up. What is the other way that we're going to set this up to offer either the early bird or after hours special? So it has to be done a little bit different. Once again, we're going back to resources. We're going to add a resource down here, and this time we're just going to name it after hours. And then now, same idea, you have to assign services. So this is just going to be the services that you want to offer after hours. In this case, I'm just going to go to the beard, and let's say I want to offer only the beard services in after hours. You could literally select all your services if you wanted to offer a different, but in this case, I misspoke. I'm actually going to go down here, and I did after hours haircut. So now after hours haircut, I'm going to select, and now I priced it differently. So right here, after hours is associated with that. I'm going to click save, and now we have this service associated with after hours. So we're going to go back, same idea. We're going to go to resources. I'm going to go to May 1st again. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to adjust this after hours to be available only outside of business hours. So we're actually going to be essentially overriding the business hours. So let's say I do 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So you see what I'm doing here, guys? Making this resource essentially overrides the business hours. So this massage bed is like the normal one. This is where if you want to offer it after. So that's the first thing you need to do. And then the next thing you're going to need to do is there does still need to be a staff available at that time. So I'm going to go back to staff, and I'm going to edit Andrew, and I'm going to go for him until 8 o'clock. So boom. What that's going to mean is someone is only going to be able to book the after hours haircut during the assigned time, when it has after hours. But keep in mind, you do still need to have a staff available. Even if you make the resource available at that time, which will override the business hours, unless you open up staff hours to be available at that time also, it's not going to be bookable because there's no staff available at that time. So, guys, I know this was a little bit more involved than we normally get into, but this is something that I do see brought up from time to time, excuse me. So I thought it was worth making a video about this. I'm sure for the vast majority of people watching these videos and the vast majority of Booksy users, they're not going to be making use of this. But for those that want to, either they need to put the resource in, kind of like in the massage bed example, or in the other case where they want to offer an after-hours service at a different pricing model, this is where you're going to go about that. So guys, I hope you got some use out of this. For those that are watching it, like I said, it's a very advanced topic and 99% of users are not going to know how to implement this. So if you understood it, you're definitely way ahead of the curve. If you did get something out of the video, please like and subscribe. That does help me out. And if you're planning on subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link down below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Besides that, guys, always appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next one.